Cognex Corporation Technology Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people have no idea that machines can see, analyze, and make decisions faster than humans. You won't believe what happens next when artificial vision enters manufacturing. Cognex Corporation is a technology company specializing in machine vision systems used in factories and warehouses. Their technology helps machines inspect products, guide robotic arms, read barcodes, and detect defects at high speed. For example, Cognex systems can scan thousands of items per minute, detecting flaws that the human eye might miss. This reduces waste, improves quality, and increases production speed. These systems are used in electronics manufacturing, automotive production, medical device assembly, and logistics centers. Cognex technology improves accuracy, reduces labor costs, and boosts operational efficiency. If you are in manufacturing or logistics, understanding machine vision could completely change how you operate. Subscribe for more honest technology platform reviews that shape the future of business. Title start Plasit by Envato Logo Maker Honest Review. Watch before using title DND script start Plasit by Envato Logo Maker Honest Review. Watch before using. Most new business owners believe creating a professional logo requires a designer and a big budget. The surprising truth is that you can build a clean, modern brand in minutes, and that is exactly what Plasit by Envato offers. Plasit is an online design platform that allows you to create logos, videos, mock-ups, and social media graphics without any design experience. The Logo Maker is one of its most popular tools, especially for startups, online stores, and content creators. You simply choose your industry, type your business name, select the style you like, and Plasit instantly generates dozens of logo concepts. You can change colors, fonts, icons, and layouts in real time. Most people get this wrong, but here's why this matters. Your logo influences trust, and trust influences sales. A clean, readable logo can increase brand recognition and improve conversion rates, especially on social media and storefronts. Plasit also gives you access to brand kits, so you can apply your logo across banners, business cards, YouTube thumbnails, and Instagram posts instantly. The platform works fully online, so you do not need to download software or hire freelancers. For solo entrepreneurs and small businesses, this can save hundreds of dollars. Plasit is best for users who want speed, simplicity, and consistent branding. If you need ultra-custom designs for major corporations, a professional agency may be better, but for most businesses, Plasit delivers powerful value. Subscribe for more honest business tool reviews.